Today, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best dog harness for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion Smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best dog harness for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Choosing the best dog harness can transform every walk or training session with your dog from a tug-of-war into a smooth, secure, and enjoyable experience. The Oroth Tactical Dog Harness for large dogs, Army Yellow, is engineered for exactly that, delivering heavy-duty durability, versatility, and comfort in one sleek package, built for strength and control. Crafted from rugged 900D nylon with reinforced stitching, this harness stands up to demanding canine tasks, field work, or daily adventures. Two quick-release metal buckles at the shoulders let you gear up or remove the harness in seconds, while dual stainless steel leash attachment points, front chest for anti-pull guidance and rear back for relaxed walks, give you precise control in any situation. The top reinforced handle adds another layer of instant grab-and-go handling, ideal for navigating obstacles, assisting during vehicle boarding, or providing extra security in crowded areas. Customizable comfort. 4 fully adjustable straps, 2 at the chest and 2 at the belly, create a snug, chafe-free fit for broad-chested breeds like German Shepherds, Labradors, Rottweilers, and Huskies. The breathable, padded mesh interior keeps airflow circulating so your dog stays cool, while soft edges prevent rubbing on shoulders or armpits during long treks. Mission-ready versatility. Molly webbing on both sides allows you to clip on water bottles, treat pouches, or tactical gear for search and rescue and service dog tasks. Hook and loop panels hold morale patches or ID tags, clearly identifying your working dog in public spaces. The high-visibility Army Yellow colorway pairs with reflective trim to ensure 360-degree visibility during early morning runs or evening patrols. Safety meets style. Unlike ordinary collars, Oroth's no-pull front D-ring redistributes forward momentum, gently steering your dog back toward you without choking. This reduces leash-pulling strain on your arm and protects your dog's trachea. Meanwhile, the low-profile design maintains a sleek silhouette, more comfortable and less cumbersome than bulkier vests, yet every bit as secure. Why it's worth the upgrade. Easy on, easy off, 2 metal quick-release buckles save time and eliminate fumbling, all-weather resilience. Water-resistant nylon shrugs off rain, mud, and brush, training to trekking. Equally suited for professional canine work, service dog duties, weekend hikes, or everyday walks. Long-term investment, built to handle years of adventure, backed by Oroth's reputation for quality gear. If you're seeking a harness that balances tactical toughness with day-to-day practicality, the Oroth Tactical Dog Harness delivers dependable control, all-day comfort, and smart customizability, helping you and your canine partner tackle every mission with confidence. Thanks for watching the video.